Hello, dear learners. Take a look at this person right here. They are getting millions of views and earning thousands of dollars every month through their Pinterest account. The only thing they are doing is reposting videos like these from TikTok onto Pinterest, featuring different Amazon products. They have been doing this for months, and it has been working very well for them over time. If you scroll through their page, you'll see they have linked all their products using a landing page builder. Their main focus is on driving traffic to this page. Now, let's click on one of their random products to see exactly how they are making this work. Here we can see that they are promoting coffee machine among many other products. They are earning a 7% commission for every single sale they bring to this coffee machine, as stated from Amazon affiliate program, and they make $45 per sale. This affiliate marketing strategy is very untapped, as Pinterest are heavily pushing videos on their platform, which we can take advantage of. Stay tuned in this video, because I will show you how we can make roughly $100 a day from this strategy using affiliate marketing. Step 1. Sign up to the Amazon Associates program. If you haven't already, signing up to Amazon Associates is a must, and it is very simple to do. Simply go to Amazon and go to the bottom where it says Become an Affiliate. Once signed up and accepted, the dashboard will look like this. You need to fill in your payment information, but other than that, we are good to go. Ladies and gentlemen, step 2 is to create a Pinterest account. Click up on Sign Up and fill in the necessary details like this. Once that is done, we want to make a profile that looks professional and clean, so I will go over to chat and ask it for a name for a brand promoting products on Pinterest like this. I went with this name called Pin Perfection Emporium, which resonated with me deep in my heart anyway. Back to the video. So finish your sign-up process until Pinterest looks like this now. Before we do anything else, we need to set up our profile properly to attract people to our profile. You can make a logo and a banner using Canva, which I have linked in the description. And you can pretty much copy parts of other people's descriptions into your own, like I do here foreign as I said before. Head over to canva.com, which I have linked in the description, and sign up the template. Canva God will help you a lot in making your logo, so you can simply just find something you like here by searching up shopping logo or something like this, and choose a template. Now you don't want this free Canva image because it has the Canva logo in it, so choose something that isn't on the premium subscription. Once this is done, we want to convert our account into a business account like I do here. This is because we need to track our progress and stats to see if we are making progress in our journey to making it out of the 9-to-5 rat race with this method. Before we proceed with our business Pinterest profile, we need to add our website, so we will need to make one real quick like I do here for this website here that I linked in the description under the Canva link, and make an account. Once you've done that, we can create our account really simple like this by putting in our username, email address, and password. Right here we need to add details about our Pinterest account and make it identical to our Pinterest profile to make our audience believe us and see that this is our page. Once you are in the dashboard and filled in these details with your brand information, we can see down here that we can put our links to the products very easily, which we will do later down the road. Now we are done on this page for now, so copy your URL to your landing page website and paste it here in the Pinterest sign-up form and continue the sign-up process. The rest of the questions are not really that important for your profile, so just go through it like this. Step 2. Go over to TikTok and search for something like TikTok, Madama Buy It, or Amazon Finds. This way we can easily find videos like the person uploaded before where people are showing of products that we can quote-unquote borrow. Don't worry, this is 100% legal, as we will give credit to the original creator. Once you have a video like this one, we want to validate and see if these products are on Amazon.com. So as you watch the video, you want to head over to Amazon.com and try to find the product they are promoting, or simply go into their profile and find it through their landing page. Once you've found the product, we want to get our affiliate link. So after signing up to Amazon Associates, we will get this link creator at the top where we will make our links. So simply do as I do right here. Once your link is in your hand, save it in a notepad or something for now. Next step is to download this video, which we will do by taking the URL of the video like this and go over to this website called snapdick.com and paste the link right here. Click download. And now you got the video you want. Now, one Pinterest hack to make your video better suited for the algorithm is to rename the file name to something related to your niche like I do here. This will, as I said, makes us rank higher on Pinterest and possibly make us more money, which we want time for posting content. Pinterest, once that is done, go back to Pinterest and click on Create and then Create Idea Pin. Choose your file like this and we are good to go here. We will type in simple SEO settings such as title, description, tags, and boards. But don't worry, I will show you exactly how to optimize this to rank on the top of Pinterest. Add 1 to 3 hashtags in the title and in the description with a short text about the products in the video You can also copy and paste a few things from the video from TikTok to get a bit of a boost in the algorithm. Make a relevant board like I do here, and add all 9 tags to maximize our chances of going viral. Now I almost forgot we must add a disclaimer credit to the video creator from TikTok, otherwise we risk our account of getting suspended for life, which we don't want. So simply head back to TikTok and give the person the credit that they deserve. Seriously, shout out to them. This wouldn't be possible without them now. For the most important part of this process is to add the affiliate links to this, and we cannot directly link the Amazon product in the links section, so we need to go back to the landing page website dashboard and add our link just like I do right here, and paste the landing page onto the pin and hit publish. Now we are done with the video, and we just want to double check that this link actually works. It does wonderful. Now this is pretty much the whole process that you want to repeat a few times a day, and remember you want to build up your Pinterest account. And over time you will see greater and greater results getting pin clicks every single day from this process. Keep doing this strategy for a month, posting 1 to 3 times a day, and I promise you that you will see some crazy results. Now that was all for this video, and subscribe our channel Learnin' Tech. And like the video if you want to make money from Amazon without any investment. So click here to watch the complete video, or want to know how people are earning money from Temu affiliate program. So please watch this video. I hope I will see you in my next tutorial video. Bye.